Welcome to the channel. In an era where sustainability and creativity are increasingly intertwined, Bambon Crafts have emerged as a compelling avenue for artisans looking to make their mark. Utilizing bamboo, a fast-growing and eco-friendly material, these crafts offer a unique alternative to traditional wooden products. As consumers become more conscious of their purchasing decisions, the demand for environmentally responsible options continues to rise. This guide explores the journey of mastering Bambon Crafts, from small beginnings to significant success, highlighting the potential for both artistic expression and entrepreneurial growth. We're excited to share this journey with you. The appeal of Bambon Crafts lies not only in their aesthetic qualities, but also in their sustainability. By choosing bamboo, artisans are contributing to a more environmentally friendly marketplace, attracting customers who prioritize eco-conscious choices. This focus on sustainability, combined with innovative designs, positions Bambon Crafts as a desirable option for home decor and functional items. As we delve deeper into the various aspects of this craft, readers will discover valuable insights into marketing strategies, job opportunities, and the many advantages of Bambon over traditional wooden crafts. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us continue creating valuable resources and inspiring content for everyone interested in Bambon Crafts and sustainable living. Stay tuned until the end of the video for exclusive tips and insights that you won't want to miss. In today's entrepreneurial landscape, a growing number of individuals are exploring creative avenues that allow them to express their artistic talents while generating income. Among these opportunities, Bambon Crafts stand out as a unique blend of artistry and sustainability. As people increasingly seek eco-friendly and innovative home decor options, Bambon Crafts offer a refreshing alternative to traditional materials. This guide will delve into the journey from small beginnings to significant success in mastering Bambon Crafts and sales. We will explore the various aspects of this craft, including marketing strategies, job opportunities, and the advantages of Bambon compared to wooden crafts. Understanding Bambon Crafts. Bambon Crafts are created using bamboo, a versatile and sustainable material that has gained popularity in recent years. Bamboo is known for its rapid growth and resilience, making it an ideal choice for artisans looking to create beautiful and durable products. Unlike traditional wooden crafts, which often require extensive harvesting practices, bamboo can be sustainably sourced without causing harm to the environment. This eco-friendliness adds an appealing dimension to Bambon Crafts, attracting consumers who are increasingly conscientious about their purchasing decisions. By understanding the unique properties of bamboo, artisans can harness its potential to create stunning products that resonate with a growing market. The appeal of bamboo over wood. One of the primary advantages of Bambon Crafts is their inherent sustainability. Bamboo is one of the fastest-growing plants in the world, capable of reaching maturity in just a few years. This rapid growth means that bamboo can be harvested without depleting forests, making it an environmentally responsible choice. In contrast, many wooden crafts rely on slow-growing trees that take decades to mature, contributing to deforestation and habitat loss. As consumers become more aware of environmental issues, the demand for sustainable products has surged. By choosing Bambon Crafts, consumers can enjoy aesthetically pleasing items while supporting eco-friendly practices. This shift in consumer preferences presents a lucrative opportunity for artisans who specialize in bamboo. Marketing your Bambon Crafts. Effective marketing strategies are crucial to the success of any small business, especially in a competitive market. To promote Bambon Crafts successfully, artisans must leverage social media platforms and online marketing techniques. Engaging visuals, compelling storytelling, and consistent branding can significantly enhance visibility and attract potential buyers. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly well-suited for showcasing the beauty of Bambon Crafts, allowing artisans to create visually appealing portfolios. Additionally, Sharing the story behind the creation of each piece can foster a personal connection with customers, encouraging them to support the brand. By utilizing these marketing tools, artisans can establish a strong online presence, driving traffic to their sales channels and ultimately increasing sales. Identifying your target audience. Understanding your target audience is essential for effective marketing and sales strategies. Bambaan Crafts may appeal to a diverse group of consumers, including environmentally conscious individuals, home decor enthusiasts, and those seeking unique gift options. Conducting market research can help artisans identify specific demographics and preferences within these groups. For instance, younger consumers may prioritize sustainability and modern design, while older generations might value craftsmanship and tradition. Tailoring marketing messages to resonate with these different audiences can significantly impact sales and brand recognition. By understanding who their customers are and what they value, artisans can create targeted campaigns that speak directly to their audience's interests and needs. Job opportunities in bambaan crafting. As the demand for sustainable products continues to rise, job opportunities within the bambaan crafting sector are expanding. Artisans can find work in various fields, including home decor design, custom furniture creation, and bespoke gift making. Additionally, there are opportunities for collaboration with local businesses, interior designers, and artisans in complementary trades. This collaborative spirit not only fosters creativity, but also allows artisans to gain exposure and reach new audiences. Furthermore, as the market for sustainable goods grows, educational institutions and workshops are also emerging, providing training and skill development in bambaan crafting. This trend presents an exciting future for those interested in pursuing a career in this field. Building a brand. Establishing a strong brand identity is vital for long-term success in the bambaan craft market. A well-defined brand should reflect the core values of sustainability, creativity, and quality. This cohesive brand image helps build trust and recognition in the marketplace, inviting consumers to choose your products over competitors. Creating a memorable brand involves not only designing a distinctive logo and visual identity, but also crafting a compelling narrative around the brand's mission and vision. Sharing the story behind your products, including the sourcing of materials and the crafting process, can enhance the emotional connection consumers feel toward your brand. A strong brand identity will encourage customer loyalty and repeat business, essential elements for growth. Networking and collaboration. Networking with other artisans, businesses, and community members can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Engaging with local craft fairs, workshops, and artisan markets allows you to meet like-minded individuals and showcase your work. Collaborating on projects with other artists can lead to innovative designs and expanded product offerings, benefiting both parties. These connections also provide valuable insights and experiences that can enhance your skills and business acumen. Building relationships within the community fosters a supportive environment where knowledge is shared and opportunities for growth are abundant. By cultivating a network of contacts, artisans can navigate the market more effectively and gain exposure to a wider audience. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your support, and if you found the content helpful or inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might enjoy it too. Your engagement helps us grow and continue to provide valuable insights into the world of bambaan crafts and sustainable living. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content.